everyone, and welcome back to my channel. Today, as you can see, we are at my parents' house, and I know you guys love looking at Mom's home decor every single season, so I wanted to take you guys and see what she had out for Halloween. So she does have a very classic and timeless Halloween decor style, and her whole home is just decked out. So I wanted to take you guys along with me for a Halloween home tour for the 2024 season. As you can see, we are starting outside with her front porch. She has tons of cute home decor that is trick-or-treat themed and Halloween, and she has little ghosts and jack-o'-lanterns and some fuzzy spiders that the boys absolutely love. So she has a lot going on up here, but it is so cute, and the inside of her house is even better, so stay tuned. I'm just going to be playing some music through some of this just to give you guys a cozy Halloween vibe, but let me know down in the comments down below what you think, but I do think you will love it. As you can tell, Mom definitely hit it out of the park with her fall and Halloween decor this year. Everything is super cozy, and I absolutely love her fireplace mantles. Those are probably my all-time favorite. But this is actually my last fall video for the 2024 season. I wanted to end it off on a good note and with things Halloween, because next week is actually Halloween. So starting next Tuesday, I will be having all things Christmas here on my channel, so you don't want to miss out. Definitely hit that subscribe button if you have not subscribed already, and and don't forget to hit the notification bell. That way you're notified every time I post. Thank you guys for being here this season. It has been a great fall season, and if you are still in fall mode, I totally get it. I have tons of fall content in my description box in my fall 2024 playlist. I also have a few Thanksgiving videos in there as well, so be sure to check those out. But thank you guys for being here. Don't forget to subscribe if you are new, and I will see you all in my next video.